You've got the mic, you've got the talent, but one noisy recording turns your session into a frustrating mess while you fight through latency and muddy sound. Only the right audio interface changes everything, and that's why I've tracked down the top 5 best audio interfaces you can buy right now, from a fantastic budget starter to the absolute best in the business. As always, links are in the description. Let's head right in. We start our list with the Behringer UMC204HD, and honestly, this little box punches way above its weight. Think of it as a studio packed into a rugged black chassis. The metal build feels solid in your hands, and the smooth gain knobs up front give you that professional vibe from day one. You've got 2 combo XLR TRS inputs right there, plus phantom power for condenser mics. Flip it around and you'll find USB 2.0, TRS, and RCA outputs, and 2 analog inserts for hooking up external compressors or EQs, something you rarely see at this level. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The 24-bit 192 kHz converters deliver recording quality that rivals interfaces costing way more. And those Midas-designed preamps? They're genuinely clean and warm, which is exactly what you want for vocals or acoustic instruments. Latency sits around 6 to 7 milliseconds at a 64-sample ASIO buffer, and there's a zero-latency monitoring knob so you can track without that annoying delay in your ears. It's a 2x4 interface, meaning 2 inputs and 4 outputs, with built-in MIDI I/O for keyboards or control surfaces. It plays nice with Pro Tools, Ableton, Cubase, and GarageBand right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner setting up your first home studio or a podcaster who needs clean speech capture, this thing has you covered. And it works across Mac, Windows, and even iOS with the right adapter. Now, sure, it's far from perfect. There's only one headphone output, so you'll need an external amp if you're collaborating. And the phantom power switch lives on the back panel, which is a bit inconvenient. Still, for what you're getting, the UMC204HD is one of the most feature-rich options in the budget class. Next, we've got the Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd generation. And this thing is iconic for a reason. That compact red aluminum chassis is instantly recognizable, and it's built to travel. Up front, you've got one XLR mic input with a gain knob, plus a dedicated instrument input. There's a direct monitor switch and a headphone output, so tracking is straightforward. Around back, you'll find USB-C connectivity and stereo RCA line outputs. Now, the audio quality here is seriously impressive for something this small. You're getting 24-bit 192 kHz converters, which means studio-grade resolution. But the real star is that upgraded Scarlett mic preamp. Flip on the air mode, and your vocals instantly sound brighter and more open, like you've added a high-end studio chain without touching a plugin. Latency is very low, so you can monitor in real time with effects if you want. It's a dream setup for those who want to go solo. One mic input, one instrument input, USB-C power, and plug-and-play compatibility with Mac, Windows, and iOS. Focusrite also throws in Ableton Live Lite, Pro Tools First, their creative pack, plus a solid collection of plugins and samples. That means you can start recording the moment you unbox it. What's more satisfying is that you can track vocals and instruments at the same time. Podcasters and streamers appreciate the clean preamp and dead simple setup. And if you're a beginner, there's basically no learning curve here. The sound quality punches well above its price point, and that air mode genuinely adds professional polish. The build is rugged, the size is portable, and that software bundle is one of the most generous out there. Sure, only one mic means duets or multi-mic setups are off the table, and there's no MIDI I/O at all. Still, the Scarlett Solo is one of the most popular entry-level interfaces on the planet for good reason. It's simple, reliable, and it just works. And then, we've got the PreSonus Quantum HD2. And this is where we start getting into serious studio territory. The first thing you'll notice is that sleek desktop form factor wrapped in rugged metal. Up front, 2 combo XLR TRS inputs with gain knobs, phantom power, and instrument or line switches. Those bright LED meters give you crystal clear input and output monitoring at a glance. Around back, you're looking at multiple line outputs, ADAT expansion, MIDI I/O, and USB-C connectivity. Quite interestingly, the Quantum HD2 packs 32-bit 192 kHz converters. That's ultra-high fidelity with dynamic range that captures every nuance of your source. The X-Max HD preamps deliver clean gain with serious headroom, so you can push them without worrying about distortion. And thanks to the direct USB-C connection and optimized drivers, latency is basically non-existent. The I/O count is where this thing truly shines. You're getting 20 inputs and 24 outputs, which is massive for an interface at this level. Need more channels down the road? The ADAT optical ports let you expand without replacing the whole unit. Built-in MIDI I/O handles your keyboards and controllers, and PreSonus throws in Studio One Pro with a 12-month membership plus plugins and samples. This is built for semi-pro and professional studios, bands tracking live, producers juggling multiple instruments, engineers who need flexibility, It handles drums, synths, vocals, and guitars all at once without breaking a sweat. And if you're already in the Studio One ecosystem, the integration is seamless. But it's not for everyone. For beginners or solo creators, this is total overkill. It sits at a higher price point than entry-level options, and you'll need USB-C, so older systems might require an adapter. Yet, the Quantum HD2 delivers pro features without flagship pricing. It's a workhorse that scales with your ambitions. At number 2, we've got the RME Babyface Pro FS, and here's where things get seriously professional. The wedge-shaped aluminum chassis is unmistakable. It's lightweight enough to toss in your backpack, yet rugged enough to survive the road. Up front, you've got 2 XLR mic inputs, 2 headphone outputs, 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch, and dedicated instrument inputs. The tactile control wheel and clear LED metering make adjustments feel precise and immediate. Around back, 2 balanced line outputs, ADAT I/O, MIDI I/O, and USB 2.0 round out the connections. Impressively, the 24-bit 192 kHz converters paired with SteadyClock FS technology deliver ultra-low jitter. We're talking 116 decibels dynamic range on the mic inputs and 123 decibels on the line outputs. Those high-gain, ultra-clean preamps give you all the headroom you need, and the latency performance is industry-leading. RME's drivers are legendary for a reason. They're rock-solid on both Mac and Windows. The I/O count hits 12 by 12 when you factor in aided expansion. That optical port lets you add up to 8 more channels whenever you need them. The dual headphone outputs run on separate circuits, so they handle both high and low impedance cans without breaking a sweat. And then there's Total Mix FX. It's a powerful routing and monitoring suite with built-in EQ, compression, and reverb. There's definitely a learning curve, but once you master it, the control is unmatched. This is built for professional producers, engineers, and live performers who need reliability above all else. Mobile studios love it because it travels light but performs heavy. And if you're doing critical listening, those pristine converters and headphone amps are hard to beat. The driver stability is genuinely legendary. SteadyClock FS keeps your digital audio pristine. The dual headphone amps, ADAT expandability, and compact form factor make it incredibly versatile. So, all in all, the Babyface Pro FS is a portable powerhouse that professionals trust with their careers. And now, our number 1 pick, the Neumann MT48. This is the absolute best audio interface on our list, and honestly, it's in a league of its own. The first thing that grabs you is that sleek, modern desktop design. But the real showstopper is the touchscreen control. That's practically unheard of in audio interfaces, and it makes navigation feel incredibly intuitive. The build quality is rugged and clearly designed for serious professional studios. Now let's talk numbers. The MT48 packs 32-bit 192 kHz converters with a 136 decibel dynamic range. That's among the best in class, period. The ultra-clean, high-gain mic preamps carry Neumann's signature sound precision, and the dual output technology lets you monitor on speakers and headphones simultaneously without any compromise in quality. You're getting 4 analog inputs, 8 analog outputs, plus ADAT, SPDIF, AES67 network audio, and MIDI. The AES67 support is particularly notable. It opens up networked audio workflows that most interfaces simply can't touch, and everything runs over modern USB-C for Mac and Windows. More excitingly, the built-in DSP handles EQ, dynamics, and reverb in real time. No external gear needed. The onboard touchscreen mixer gives you flexible routing and monitoring control right at your fingertips. Now, this is definitely built for high-end studios, mastering engineers and producers who refuse to compromise. If you're already in the Neumann ecosystem with their monitors or mics, the integration is seamless. Broadcast setups and critical listening environments will benefit enormously from that class-leading dynamic range. The converters are genuinely class-leading. That touchscreen simplifies your workflow in ways you didn't know you needed. The DSP effects run in real time, and the AES67 connectivity makes this genuinely future-proof. The Neumann MT48 isn't just competing with flagship units from Universal Audio and RME. It's carving out its own space with that touchscreen innovation and Neumann's legendary sonic pedigree. If you demand the absolute best and you're ready to invest in your craft, this is the interface that delivers without compromise. Thanks for sticking around. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button on our channel. Click the bell icon too, so you'll get notified every time we drop a new video at Flexiviews.